everyone, welcome to my channel. I am shooting after a long time because life had been really hectic. Nonetheless, this time I am going to do a series of festive makeup looks. This is look number 1 that I have done. This one I think we all can wear either on the evening or in the day, both. Just have to switch the lip color accordingly. If you're going in night, then just have to change the lip color to something a little more darker maybe. Otherwise I think this is suitable for every single occasion. So yeah, this is the final look that I've come up to. Let's move on to the tutorial, and at the end don't forget to let me know if you have enjoyed the look. I started off by applying MAC Fix Plus all over my face. Not only it acts as a primer, but everything seems to blend effortlessly on a moist skin. No festive look is ever complete without a dazzling glowy base. Hence I'm applying here my most favorite e.l.f. Hello Glow liquid highlighter, mostly on the higher parts of the face where the light would reflect. For my foundation today, I chose to go with the K-Beauty one as it gives medium to buildable coverage, and for the first time ever I am spreading the foundation on the face with the spatula first and then blend it with the brush seamlessly into the skin. I will discuss about the advantages of using a spatula in some other video. For my concealer, I am using my Forever Bestie L'Oreal Infallible one as it brightens my under eyes the most, and I didn't need to conceal much today. I'm definitely going to mix the Pixie Cream Blush with the concealer at the edges. This technique of applying concealer I have already demonstrated elaborately on my channel. You can check that one. And this is how exactly the face looks like when the base is done. Now moving on with the same blush now. Concentrating mostly on the upper or outer end so that the face looks more chiseled and less plumper. But then I blended it along with the nose. For any long-lasting makeup, I use the Fix Plus several times while working on the base. In this way, the longevity increases a lot. Then I went ahead with the Maybelline loose powder to set the under eyes in place once the spray is soaked up completely. Moving on to the eye makeup now. Invariably, the first choice was this Love Fest palette by Huda. Creating the outer base with a dark brown eyeshadow and blending it properly. Then moved on with this Nikake palette because I needed this light pink shade to be used as the lead color as it matches with my outfit perfectly. So here I am darkening the outer edges or the crease color a little more before I moved on with this sparkling shade from Huda palette again, and I absolutely loved the color and the pigmentation of it. It's surreal, man. Then using this blue Insta liner from Lakme. Once I was done, I felt black probably would have done better justice with this look. However, I was happy with the final outcome. Here applying Milani Luminoso blush as a highlighter more than a blush before moving on with the lips. For this lip combo, I have chosen a lip liner from Mars and it's a beautiful brown liner. And with this, I have this balmy creamy lipstick from Milani and it's called Color Fetish Creamy Lipstick in the shade Nylon, which is my current favorite. Next, of course, quite inevitably, I had to curl my eyelashes and put on the mascara. And last but not the least, I feel no festive look is complete without a bindi because that goes so beautifully with all of our ethnic attires, right? So I have made this beautiful bindi with 2 different colors. And lastly, I'm using this lip lacquer from e.l.f. that is going to add a little more warmth to the lips because I love the plumping effect. And this is the final finished look. So this is the final finished look. I hope you would let me know if you have enjoyed me recreating this one for the festive season. So please do like and share and subscribe to my channel.